everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you my first journal, my junk journal that I created using the digital images from VectoriaDesigns. And this is the paper. It looks very shabby. It has a lot of details like laces. And I'm going to show you how it looks inside. I use the Shabby Elegant Journal kit. And I'm going to put a link in the description box if you like this paper, okay? And mine looks like a book. I like the journals like this, okay, with a hard spine. So I make it like a book, and it's not too big, okay? It has only 3 signatures, and I sew them in the spine, and I tie them with this tool. Then I use die cuts, my dies to embellish the journal and some laces, okay? So as you can see, I put metal corners, and this one says cherish, see? And right here, this is the spine. I used an embossing folder to make this texture, okay, on white cardstock. And this is the back. This is the beautiful paper, and I printed on cardstock for the cover, but then for all the pages I just printed in regular printer paper, okay? So I'm going to show you. I also mixed some papers that I dyed, okay, and I had in pink color. And okay, now I'm going to show you. I used one of the printed papers and made this envelope, okay, to put it up here, and I make like an envelope, like a pocket, and I just glue right here these 3 sides, so it can hold this pocket page. And this one I made with another printed paper, and I'm going to show you in a minute. And right here is the envelope, okay, and I put this piece of paper that is one of the die papers, and okay, you can have it in here. And then I just glue right here these 2 sides, and this is one of the tags that comes in the kit, okay? So you just put this one inside, see? And this is another die cut that I used to embellish the book. Then I distress all the edges of the cover, as you can see right here, so it looks very shabby. And this is the beautiful image right here. It has a lot of lace details in this paper. And right here is another printed paper, and I made this with a pocket right here, and I put another paper for writing something, a note or something. Then I put a cardstock right here for a picture, and this is part of the paper that has this space for journaling. And here is another pocket, okay? So another paper that you can put in there for writing, or you can put some more mats if you want to keep some pictures in there, okay? Then as you can see right here, it's a beautiful paper, and these are especially for journals, so you don't have to do anything. You just embellish with little things, and yeah, you fold the papers, and you have cute designs like this tag, for example, okay, to write something. And I'm going to show you the other side. Look how beautiful. Look at these details of the paper and flowers, and look, it has some jewelry, some pearls on top, so very, very, very nice. Okay, then here I put 2 pages, and I put some of these doilies, paper doilies, to embellish the empty pages, and then I put another one, okay? Then right here I made this kind of pocket right here with one of the tags that comes in the kit, and I just got one mat, and this is a 4x6, so I can put a picture and stack in anywhere. Okay, I just put it up here, but this is for journaling right here, and you can stack a picture in there. Okay, then this is the other side, has the butterflies button. Then right here, more paper. This is another paper. It's a beautiful design. I really like this collection. Look at the lace. See? Then here is a tag that comes with a kit. Okay, it's also beautiful, and you can stack anything in there. Then right here, look, it has like a vintage button and flowers. And right here, this is another tag from the paper kit. And look at this page, so gorgeous. Has flowers. These have doily on top, like letters, flowers. It's very nice. And this one has already the lines, see? And this is the center, and as you can see, right here is where I sewn each signature. Okay, and even with these designs that says be positive, see again the half doily. And you can print any of the pages that you like the most. Okay, so I just printed 12 double-sided pages. Okay, and I embellished with the tags that came in the collection, like this one, for example. This is a flag. Okay, and look at this beautiful paper. Then more empty pages. Then right here, another one with lines. Again, the one that says be positive, and this beautiful flag. See, another of these. And look, with these beautiful spaces for journaling, and so you can add something on top. See? Then look at this one, has some jewelry in there, and I put a wing of Stella on this butterfly, and it shines very nice. See, you can embellish with glitter glue, wing of Stella, and right here another page. Then again, I chose some of the ones that I like many times, so it's up to you. See, and I printed on cardstock to make these tags, and I only added 4, okay, in the whole journal. And look, beautiful. Look at this writing on top. This is one of my favorite pages. Look, I love the lace on top, flowers. Look at this, and this piece for journaling, so beautiful. See, and this is another one, because I like this half doily here. And here is another tag. Then another page with space for journaling. Look how beautiful. This is another tag, and it has room right here, so if you want to add a picture in there. So you can put as many pages as you want, okay, and spaces. You can put mats for some pictures, and yeah, it's up to you. I put 3 signatures, and on each signature I put 10 pages, okay, 4 printed and 6 of these papers. So it's a lot of pages in total if you count the sides, okay, because each side is 1 page, right? I put in total 120. You can do it smaller or bigger, okay. I think it was enough for these kind of journals, okay. So it's up to you, you decide, okay. Then just a few more, okay, and this is the center of the 3rd signature, and as you can see, it has a beautiful lace on top, okay, and at the bottom, see. Then this page right here with flowers. Then right here, this one, another one with the butterflies. This one right here, okay. And I use distress ink from Tim Holtz to just wrap up here, okay, distress the edges of the paper so it can have the same look. Okay, so it has that color, the pink color on top, see, and I really like how it looks, see. And on this side I made these pockets, okay, using another cardstock that I printed, and I made a small envelope, and here is the tag, okay, that came in the kit. And right here there is a little notebook, and as you can see right here, this is the pockets that I made, okay. And for this little notebook or paper pad, okay, I just use 1 extra scraps of paper to glue on the sides, and right here I just grabbed a few papers, okay, and I use my staples, can you see right here, and I staple on these 2 sides, and then I cover with a scrap of cardstock that it was printed, and then I put these flowers, and that's it. I have a little notebook, okay, or paper pad. And for this one, okay, it was going to be an envelope that I wanted to put in here, but it was kind of big for this, so I just folded and make it smaller, and you open like this, okay. And it was supposed to be like this, but it was too big, so I decided to fold it. And then I put up here a tag, okay, and another tag right here, okay. And then I put cardstock right here, so maybe I can put some pictures in here, okay. And yeah, this is how it looks. And I put some scraps of my laces, and this is the back, okay. And you just do like this, and here you have a small envelope, okay, that you can put in here. And for the month of July, they are releasing the Bugs Junk Journal Project Pack. now they are on the store and they are on sale. They are with 70% off for only 3 days. The information is going to be in the description box. But regularly, okay, they always have 50% off on everything. And if you like my projects, my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell so you can be the first one to know about the new video and new projects. Okay, thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.